daghang kuan o.
Sama.
Ang dragon fruit.
Itawid mo yan. Dragon fruit, yes. You are correct.
Dragon fruit.
I'm sorry. God is correcting my pronunciation. What's your problem, baby boy? What is your name? Sa daw? Gravy?
JB.
Gravy?
JB.
Sa Jollibee ka ba nakatira? JB. Kaya nga, Jollibee. Jollibee. Ayan, so we're now heading to, we're now going to our third and last stop which is the Lola's Garden or Grandmother's Garden. So there is no specific name on it po. Kaya po sa tinawag na Lola's Garden kasi most of the plants, they are traditional. Just like Gumamela, Bunilila, and Santa. So those are the plants na karaniwang tinatanim ni Lola before. Siguro hanggang ngayon. So kumbaga it's a representation of a grandmother. On your down left side po, mga dragon fruits. Ayan. So what we have here is the yellow variety, what we call the yellow pitahaya. Dominant kasi sa Pilipinas yung red at saka pink. And yellow is a very rare type of red. Ayan, overlooking ng Davao City po.
Wow.
Ito naman mga herbs and spices.
Sangig. Basil lemon.
So we have here basil lemon. Huwag na lang pa natin.
No.
Ito, basil purple ruffles. Tsaka sweet basil. Ma'am? Sweet basil. Ito pa. Ayan, commonly used for pasta, pesto, pizza sauce.
Wow, dragon fruit.
Ayan, ito na yung dragon fruit.
Oh my god.
Paano ulit yun? Dragon fruit? Dragon fruit? Hindi mo siya dragon fruit. Okay, so our last stop over Lola's Garden.
Lola's Garden.
Okay, here we go down. Absent silang dalawa.